In this video, I will show you how to stay invisible or hide your online status on WhatsApp. A step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about WhatsApp trick. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to stay invisible on WhatsApp using this simple trick. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on these three dots at the top. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on settings. Then click on privacy. Then click on last seen and online. Then change this to nobody. Then change this to same as last seen. With that, you are done. So nobody will know whether you are online or you are offline or when last you come online. So this is how to stay invisible on WhatsApp using this simple trick, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.